Mount Pinatubo is in the Pacific Ocean area, 15 degrees north of the equator. It's just off the coast of Southeast Asia, as you can see from the map there. What happened? 1991, a giant volcano erupted, 15 to 20 million tons of ash, sulfuric acid, mist, blasted in the atmosphere, made for beautiful sunsets and rises. I remember I was in Arizona at the time and we saw the Mount Pinatubo color difference. It was remarkable. What it did is, as it spread around the world, there was a lot of aerosol basically in the atmosphere, and a lot of that was reflected back away from the atmosphere. Some of it also absorbed the solar energy, but the net balance of it was more reflectivity than absorption. And so what we ended up with was less total solar energy coming in, and it got cooler. The climate for about a year and a little more was almost a degree Fahrenheit cooler because of that ash in the atmosphere. So that's the example of a system being out of equilibrium. Now, it didn't last, so we came back to a somewhat warmer weather pattern after a little over a year. So it didn't last forever. So we had a kind of short disequilibrium from that.